Hi, I'm Leah Bertelson with Together Planning. We are trying something new today. We have been writing blog posts for years to share information and ideas with our clients, and this is our first video. So let us know what you think. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the annual gift limit because it's something that I think people have heard about, but most people don't fully understand. So, what is it, why it matters, and what to do if you give more than the annual gift limit? The annual gift limit for 2025 is $19,000. That means any person can give another person $19,000 this year and not have to document the gift at all. Similarly, a married couple can give double that amount, so $38,000 to another individual, or even double that, $76,000 to another married couple. So if a couple wanted to give their daughter and son-in-law $76,000 this year, they could do that and they would still be within the annual gift limits. What happens if you want to give even more? It's important to know that gifts never appear on anyone's tax return, not the giver and not the recipient. So there's no income tax implications for giving more than $76,000 this year. What would happen is you would file a 709, which is a gift tax return. It just documents the gift because there is also a lifetime exclusion amount. And the lifetime exclusion amount covers gifts that are in excess of the annual exclusion amount and your estate, what you leave behind when you die. If you give gifts each year that are in excess of the annual exclusion amount, you would file a 709. And then at the end of your life, or if you give gifts and exceeding that lifetime exclusion amount before you die, most people won't, but if you did, then a gift tax would be due at that time. Or when you pass away, if your estate is worth more than the annual exclusion amount, including all the gifts you've documented, then an estate tax would be due at that time. This year, the lifetime exclusion amount is 13.99 million per individual, and it's going to 15 million next year, or 30 million for a married couple. So most people will not give gifts in their lifetime that combined with their estate are in excess of that amount, but that's kind of the magic number. So you file a 709, and that's it. There's a couple other things to know about gifts, particularly to grandchildren, if you're trying to support their college. 529 plans, which are the college savings plans, most of them allow a giver to give 5 years worth of the annual gift amount at one time. So you could give this year 95,000 into someone's 529. You would still file the 709 and indicate that was done and that no further gifts are planned to that individual over the next 5 years, but it would not cause any tax to be due. Another thing that some people don't know is that payments made directly to the educational institution for tuition or to a healthcare provider or a hospital for medical bills don't even count as gifts at all. There's no limit to those payments that are directly to the educational institution or the healthcare provider. There's no limit and no documentation is required. I hope that clears things up a little bit. Most of us really don't need to be too concerned with staying under that annual exclusion amount because we're probably going to be under the lifetime exclusion amount. But if it didn't clear things up, I would be happy to answer questions. So please reach out to me via email or phone. And I want to say thank you for watching our first video.